Hello, thank you very kindly for pressing play. Let's do a little bit of math magic. I bet you didn't know I was a mathematician. A mathemagician, rather. Well, me neither, but I learned this cool trick when I was a youth. When I was just a youth, I learned this cool trick with math. Multiplications of 9. So this video may be educational and beneficial for you. And if so, let me know in the comments. I do respond to everyone, so much love to you. I'll see you in the comment section. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and definitely let me know if you like this cool math trick. Multiples of 9. I'll show you, break it down real quick. Starting at 9, of course. Let's start here. 0 and 9. You start from the end there. 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Where's it? 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Boom. That's it. Then you got 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 72, 83, and 90. 81 and 90. Excuse me. Time to get in there. Thank you so much. Much love to you. Thank you very kindly for your time. I hope that you enjoyed this very short educational video from myself, LittleRedBigSmile. I make music as well. Music here is my own. I create all the music here. If you like it, check out my podcast section. I got a lot more music. It's only released here on this channel, and that's where you can find it. I hope you listen to it. I love you all. Have a beautiful, blessed rest of your day. Thanks for watching.